Oh my God. What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel, and as promised in my last video, I'm at a new spot. Finally made it out to Barrett Lake, or Lake Barrett, or whatever it's called. Lake Barrett, Barrett Lake. Anyway, y'all get it. Made it out here. Probably one of my last fishing trips into my surgery, man. Actually, by the time this is airing, I should have had my surgery already, but we'll see. Anyway, first time out here, man, and I'm looking forward to catching some fish. As you guys probably know, this is a barbless lake, so all your hooks have to either be filed down or crimped to the barb, or have barbless hooks. I don't know, man. Listen, so I just plan on crimping mine down with my pliers and going from there. But yeah, we're here. I'm supposed to be meeting some folks out here, but they left me. Anyway, I'll finally catch up with them, but hang out and have some fun, man. So let's see what happens out here. All right. Come on, Nick. Girl built like an anvil, boy. That's not a fish, bro.
Get your single up. We've got some fish right already, dude.
Dude, I'm ready to go home already. Dude, I got up in 1:30. And dude, I almost didn't even leave the bed. How about that? There was no way I was supposed to come to your place last night.
Get your single up.
Yeah? You just crimped down your barbs? Alright, cool. Cinco, eh?
Single for now.
Swirled some way, and then I came back. He was up there. I'm gonna go, you know, like throwing a Cinco. Go with my jig. I'm a jig.
Yeah, the jig's gonna work. Your underspin's gonna work.
Alright, so we're gonna work this little arm, this little channel in here. Try to get the buzz bait to go. See if that gets something. I don't know. Obviously, like I said, first time here. Just gotta figure out what they want, man. And hopefully it's this buzz bait. Oh, we gonna fail the boat flip. All right. We in there, y'all. First fish. I was sitting there trying to figure these fish out. I knew there was fish down there, and I saw him on the graph. All right, I didn't bring my board with me, but he's probably about a 16, 17-inch fish. First fish of the morning on the new lake. We'll take it. Yeah, look. You see them guys on there on that graph? Hopefully you can see that. But anyway, let's let this guy go. No skunk on the new lake. Peace out, my guy. Let's try to get back down there and see if we can get some more. Well, couldn't get no more bites over here. So I'm about to move spots. Let me cross over here and see what else this place has to offer. I don't want to sit in one spot too long. So I'm trying to make the most out of this day. 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours for me to get here. So I gotta get on some fish to make it worth it. We'll cross the way and see what's over here. Find out where the rest of the guys went to. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. That just happened, man. That's the downfall of not having the barb on there, man. He completely threw that. Golly, that was a solid fish too, bro. Oh man, if I could just have that back, I'd be happy right now. Man, that hurt. Sheesh. Man, I want that back. I want that back bad. I don't know if y'all saw that fish jump, but he was a healthy one. For sure. Golly. Stay down. You getting boat flipped today, Sonny. Okay. That jig, boy. Oh, man, what happened? Let me get this guy off real quick. What are you gonna break my doggone line? There we go. Oh, man. All right. Let that sit there for a second. Yeah. Man. Another one on that jig. Man, I'm telling you, I really want that fish I lost back. I'm still thinking about it, man. There's a little guy, 14 inches or so. Peace, fella. Ah, man. Like, each hook set makes me think about that last guy. And I want him back. I'm gonna get a big one, though. Gotta get a big one. So far, it's the jig for me, man. It's what's doing work. I mean, I only caught 2 fish, so I can't really say too much work, but y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all get what I'm saying. There's a group of fish over there that's marked. That's why I backed off that spot. There's another one, I think. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Well, swing and a miss. That felt like a bite. Let me reposition myself and get back over there. There we go. Sheesh. Get up here, buddy. Yeah, I knew it. It's a little school down there. It's a little group down there. It's a little group. Oh, hey, hold up. I'm gonna let you go. Show my friends. All right. There you go. Peace, my guy. Yeah, it's a little group down there, man. Yeah, I'll zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, let's go. Let's back on up. Just keep picking them up. We're gonna find a fatty in there somewhere, man. I know one is in there. All right, well, nothing else here, so let's move along. Oh man, of course I'm snagged now. Oh, let's go handle this and then we'll go find somewhere else to fish. We marked some fish over here. Let's see if we can get them. act silly for us one time. Hopefully we can get him to go. Yeah, hope he don't come off though. Oh yeah, that is a nice one. Come on here. Golly. But he's not even that big. Oh, yeah, he is. This same size as the one I lost earlier, man. Golly. All right, killer. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. There we go, man. That jig bite is on there, man.
That's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, that's a good fish, man. Like, and these hooks just fall out. That's crazy. We gonna get a weight on this guy real quick. Oh man, 313, skinny, man.
Actually, I had one that was actually.
That's only a 313. Come on, no way. Hold on. Yeah, sheesh. 313. All right, we'll get him out of here. Solid little fish, man. All right, my man. Appreciate you. I know you want to roll. Peace. So this is literally a no BYOB. No bring your own boats.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Huh?
Isn't that crazy? And when I was out here for college, like, there was no way that we could do what we did where we're like, hey dude, can you let us in? I don't have a ticket. Your ass would have been home.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And you had to be waiting and logging into Ticketmaster to get a ticket.
Ticketmaster?
Oh yeah, you didn't know these tickets are sold through Ticketmaster.
Nah.
Yeah.
Well, damn. So is this private owned?
Is this what?
Private owned? Or
No.
it's still state?
It's still city.
Okay.
City of San Diego.
So why is this one so different then?
Beats the hell out of me.
Oh, come on here, champ. Oh, we was having a little drought. We was just talking about how, hey, yo, we was just talking about how wasn't no fish bite no more. Oh, this guy's a little peed off, man. Yeah, okay. Man, we was wondering what happened, everybody. Anyway, there we go. Now this is a healthy guy. He looked pretty good. He's short, small, but he's thick. And he ain't all skinny like everybody else was. Alright, dude. Go back in there. Hey. Chill out, bro. Whew. Alright, so I came up this little little arm up in here, trying to find something. Hit that dude. That's it, man. Just a jig. That's all we doing, man. I don't even know what time it is. Ooh, it's 11:30. I have no idea how much longer I'm going to be out here. Like I said, it's a 3.5 hour, 4 hour drive home. So I don't know. It depends. I'm having fun though. New lake, new fish. They ain't never seen me before. I ain't never seen them before, and we seem to be enjoying each other right now. So we're gonna keep at it. See if we can get some more. There were some more fish over there, so we're gonna see if they can, if they want to partake or nah. Just dragging it along. Don't come off of there. Are we gonna flip him? Why not? Why not? Why not? We flip him too. All right, so we got the ChatterBait guy, man. I almost given up on the ChatterBait, but ooh, yeah. See, that's how. Okay, we'll take that guy. He's a little guy. I mean, 14, 15, maybe. Peace, brother. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. No more fish. Time for me to get up out of here, man. All in all, it was a good day. First time coming out here, I had fun. Definitely enjoyed it. It's all about that jig fight, like I said earlier, man. Also, all the fish I caught, man, minus that last jig fish, man, everything I caught was marked on the graph, man. So I'm trying to get better at learning my graph, identifying fish and whatnot, and dropping down on them and catching them, man. So today was a success doing that. So I'm definitely happy about that, and glad I came out here. So that's it, yo. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription button and stay tuned. Leave me a comment as always, man. You know I'll get back to y'all. Peace.